Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple,
live free.
In this video, I want to answer a few questions that we get on a regular basis about Thrive Life foods. Specifically, two main questions is, where do I start? And the other is, are there any samples? But I know that we have had several thousand new subscribers since our last Thrive video. So if you're a new subscriber and you don't know what Thrive Life is, let me just tell you real briefly. It's really fabulous freeze-dried food that we use every day in our daily cooking, and it's also really great for long-term emergency storage because of the 25-year shelf life. We have done lots of videos, and I have them in two separate playlists that I'll put the links below. One is called Cooking with Thrive, where you can see us demonstrating how to cook with it. And the other one is called Why We Use Thrive, which has a lot of videos in there about questions about the nutrition and the cost and different things like that. So if you're new to our channel and you don't know what Thrive is, check out those playlists. Now, the question, where do I start? You know, people, probably twice a week at least, I get this question. I would really like to start with Thrive, but I don't know where to start. What would you recommend? Well, I can't really recommend anything for you because Thrive is just a grocery store. And we don't know what you like. We don't know your style of cooking. So basically my answer to that is just buy some of the things that you use all the time in the kitchen. Just start with some of your favorite things and go from there. That applies to if you are planning to use it for your daily cooking, and also if you plan to build a long-term food storage. Because as the saying goes, store what you eat and eat what you store. Store what you eat so that when an emergency comes, you're not all of a sudden stuck with cooking and eating foods that you're not used to. Like, you know, everybody starts with beans and rice, but do you know what to do with beans and rice except for a little side dish? If all of a sudden all you have to eat is beans and rice, you're probably not going to do very well unless you do that all the time. So start with things that you like and store them, and then store what you eat. Every time you buy something, put it in the back of your storage and eat from the front of your storage. That way you can keep it rotated. So that's the simple answer. Where do you start? I don't know. Just start with the things that you like, and that's going to be different for every person. So then we have another question is, does Thrive have samples? Well, they don't have free samples per se like you're thinking about, but they do have a variety of different ways that you can try it out and experiment with it. And the first thing that they have is called Snackies. Let me get a few of these for you. These are just simple small pouches like this, and some of them are what you would actually consider snacks. Sorry. Like this one, strawberry pina colada. This one is basically a granola sort of thing with strawberries in it and pineapple in it. It tastes like pina colada. Really good thing. It's a snack. But then they have also a lot of other things that are just vegetables or just fruits. Like here is a snacky pouch of red grapes. Here's one of pineapple. And they also have them of pouches of just vegetables like peas, corn. Believe it or not, a lot of those vegetables and the fruits are great to snack on dry. That's why they take them in a pouch. You can take them along with you and just snack on it. We have a little granddaughter whose mother has trouble getting her to eat vegetables. When our granddaughter comes over, she heads right straight for our pantry where we keep our Thrive foods, and she grabs out, what are some of the ones that she liked?
Green beans, asparagus, peas.
She'll just grab a can, a great big family can, this little kid with this great big can, and she wants us to open them up, and she just snacks away on those dry vegetables. It's the best way to get her to eat the dried food. So, Snackies, great way to try it. These are inexpensive, and they have quite a wide variety of things to try. Actual snacks like granola type things, and then fruits and vegetables. And some of the vegetables too, if you want to get a snacky pouch of vegetables, you can actually cook them up with your meal.
Sure.
So you can experiment with them and see how that works.
And these are the healthy freeze-dried food. It's not like junky kind of snacks. These are the actual, real, good, healthy freeze-dried food.
This is the red grapes, and the ingredient says red seedless grapes.
Yeah.
Here's the bananas, and the ingredient says bananas, citric acid, and ascorbic acid. Both of those are just there to keep them from.
Well, and ascorbic acid is vitamin C.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. But
So they're natural.
right. Right. So very
Keeps it from getting brown. Yeah.
keeps it from getting brown. Yes.
Yeah.
Very, very healthy.
We mentioned that the large cans, the cans themselves have a 25-year shelf life. I wanted to mention also that for the vast majority of them, they will last for a year even after you open them.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Thrive also has what they call to-go meals, which are these little pouches. These are great to take along for lunches. They actually have 3 of them right now. They will be having more eventually, but for right now they have chicken salad, they have chicken fajita, and they have island-style pork. And this is all 3 of them. You just rip them open, pour hot water in them, let them sit for a couple of minutes, and kind of push the water around. And then you can just eat it right out of the pouch. You can put it on a piece of bread. You can put it on a tortilla. You can eat it with crackers. Really great way. Just throw this in your purse or in your glove compartment. Great way to take a fast and easy little lunch along with you. It's also a great way just to try out Thrive Foods if you've never tried it. And then as far as the cans, we have 2 different sizes of cans. This is the pantry can, which is basically a quart, and this is the family can, which is a gallon. Now the neat thing about these cans is that they're all individual ingredients. They're not meals, they're individual ingredients so that you can cook your own favorite recipes. This one is red bell peppers. It's the only thing in there is red bell peppers. And if you look at the ingredients, it says, you guessed it, red bell peppers.
Yeah.
Here's a can of hamburger. So you just buy the cans of the ingredients, the groceries that you like, and then you use that to cook up your own favorite recipes. How cool is that?
Yeah. Yeah. You're not trying to thaw hamburger and cook it and drain the grease and all that stuff. It's just so easy and ready to go.
Then they also have something they call Simple Plate. Now this is a meal in a box. It's all ready to go. They have 2 different sizes. The classic is for 2 people, and the family size is for 4 people. And when you open it up, they have a recipe card inside that tells you exactly how to cook it. Here's the picture of what it's going to look like, and then on the front it tells you what you need from the box and what you need from your kitchen pantry, which is just things like oil and brown sugar, a couple of little things like that. On the back is step-by-step, color-coded, numbered directions. And then in here, you see these different pouches. This is number 2. This one's a veggie mix. That's number 3. So, very fast and easy to throw a meal together. The cost is about the same as going to McDonald's per person. But it's considerably healthier than a McDonald's. So, Simple Plate meals.
I like on the side it says, the only thing getting spoiled here is you.
Right. And then the last thing that I recommend, especially if you're just trying to start out and trying to get a feel for what it's all about, Thrive Life has what they call chef packs. Now these are boxes that come with, and I'll show you here, 9 different items from Thrive Life. Now this one is the Southwest Chicken Pack, and it has 8 pantry cans and 1 spice can. And then you see here, it also comes with recipes, and I'll show you those. Now these recipe cards are very similar to the recipe cards in the Simple Plate. On the front it shows you the picture of what it looks like, what the meal looks like, and then it tells you what you need from the pack and what you need from your pantry. And then on the back is very simple, step by step, by the numbers, directions. Now each chef pack comes with 9 different items from Thrive and 6 or 7 different recipe cards, depending on which one you get. They have 3 different chef packs. They've got pulled pork, they've got Southwest chicken, and they've got hamburger. So if you want to try 6 or 7 different meals around those themes. Also, once you're done cooking all of the recipes that come in it, you're still going to have some of that food left over to use in your daily cooking. So it's a really great way to start to get a feel for what Thrive is all about. If you get all 3 of them, then, once a month for the next 3 months, then by the time you're finished, you've taken a complete tour, a complete culinary tour of what Thrive is all about. Great way to start. So, what's what best way to actually buy them? What's the cheapest way to buy everything? And that is to join the delivery service. Now, the delivery service is an automated monthly service, but you have complete control. You can put the items in you want every month. You can change the date that it's delivered. You can order twice a month. You can skip a couple of months. You can cancel at any time. It's free to join, and you can cancel at any time. So what are the benefits to the delivery service? Well, first of all, you can certainly just go in and place a one-time order. You can buy anything on the website just as a one-time order. But if you join the delivery service, you're going to get a 15% discount on all the prices all across the board. So everything is going to be 15% cheaper if you buy it that way. Also, when you join the delivery service, you get free shipping on any order over $100. So there's a big savings there too, because normally the shipping is 12% of the order. And then also on the delivery service, they have 3 or 4 monthly specials every month. And the items rotate, but these monthly specials can be up to 30% off.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, so when you join the delivery service, you get 15% discount on all the pricing, plus you get free shipping on any order over $100, plus you get the monthly specials every month. It's definitely the best way to go, the cheapest way to go to be able to buy. Now, you don't have to buy $100 a month on the delivery. You can buy less. It's just that if you do, you're going to pay shipping on it. So you have to have that $100 amount to get the free shipping. So I hope that answers most of your questions. Where do you start? Start with the stuff you like the most, whether you're cooking, daily cooking, or for your pantry. Do they have samples? Yes, these small pouches. To-go meals, Snackies. And what's the cheapest way to buy? That's through the delivery service. So, okay. Thanks for watching.
Live simple.
Live free. Be blessed.
All right, love you guys. We'll see you soon.
I have Thrive Life for every day as well. It's quick and easy, and after suffering with severe seizures from a mold allergy and health problems, Thrive Life actually helped save my life. The food is freeze-dried, so fresh from the field that there's no chance for mold to grow. So thankful for Thrive Life. Also, the prices are really good and the food is incredible. The taste is so fresh. It also came right to my door, so when I was not well, that was a big bonus, not having to shop and save so much on physical energy, helping me to heal. Thanks. I tried the ground beef for nachos and it was very good. Even my husband liked it and he was skeptical of using freeze-dried meat. I am looking forward to trying the diced chicken in a recipe. Mary.
Food is amazing. Think about it. Traditions, memories, so much happiness. But food can also bring a lot of stress. Thrive Life wants to take away the stress by delivering simple, clean food right to your door. How would that help, you ask? Well, we've done some research. Approximately 1 in 42 trillion people actually like to wash, peel, and chop fruits and veggies. And approximately 1 in 56 bajillion people enjoy throwing out rotten produce.
Ew.
Our research found that a lot of the stress comes from planning meals. Although 43% of the population claims to pre-plan their meals, we found that less than 1% actually do. So, we had an idea. Let's help people not stress out about food. Enter Thrive Life. Ingredients that are pre-washed, pre-cut, and freeze-dried to lock in all those nutrients and delicious flavors, and they won't spoil in days or even weeks after buying them. Ingredients that aren't loaded with additives, preservatives, or GMOs. And for those nights that you just don't have anything planned or frankly don't like the plans you did have, there's Simple Plate. It's a meal kit that's better than any meal kit you've experienced, according to our research. It's planned, prepped, and pre-portioned deliciousness. And it doesn't have to be made tonight. It's ready when you are. How do we do all that? It's basically magic. We start with the best produce picked at the peak of perfection. Then we freeze-dry it in the most state-of-the-art facility in the galaxy. We lock in the taste and nutrients so our produce is as fresh as the farmer's market, which makes it perfect for snacking, by the way. Want to try it out? Simply set up a delivery service account and start shopping. You'll become a preferred customer for free. You get all kinds of perks like free shipping. So why would you want simple, clean food delivered to your door? I think the research says it all. Enjoy simple, clean food that's ready when you are. And make sure the only thing getting spoiled here is you. Try Thrive Life tonight.